Morning mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Magluto ko og kalabasa, ginataang, gisaglan pud og agbate. Mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Magluto ko og ginataang, inaagi sa kahoy lang. Ginataang mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Happy Saturday natong tanan, November 2. Happy Saturday. Kumusta ang inyong kalag-kalag hapon? Okay ba ka mo? Amo asa bola kung sa aron ay maro na pula naman mi sa pork. Alay po ko sa vegetables always. Pawid naman sa vegetables always may mga kaog pork. So alay mis vegetables kasi sometimes may kakaon og vegetables mga friends, viewers, subscribers gamit ang kahoy gitaang. Notan ko sa gas mo na nga tag-ang lang ko sa kahoy. So daw na gyapon mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Dami ang pamahaw niya, gitang pud ang rice. Luto na, Jimmy. Good morning mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Kamusta? Good morning sa kumbana sa Japan. Happy birthday, husband. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Hopefully more blessing comes to your life in your age of 70 years old. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Next year we are complete together in Dantagas place we're both living. So every time sa holidays or special days we are complete. We're complete together. Me, you and Ka. So always take care in Japan. Narashino chiba, always take care yourself. Take care always. Be patient and calm, same as me. I always patient and calm here. Good morning to everyone. Good morning. Thank you for your watching my vlog for every day. Thank you, mga friends, viewers, subscribers. Without your support, never grow my YouTube channel. Thank you, and always be positive mind in daily life. Good morning.